Valentine's Day, proposals and love stories, diamonds have been marketed as the ultimate symbol of love and commitment. Every year, millions of couples spend fortunes on diamond rings, believing that this sparkling gem represents everlasting devotion. But why is this the case? Is there any inherent quality that makes diamonds the ultimate symbol of love? Or is this perception the result of a century-long marketing ploy? Think about it. Diamonds are not the rarest gemstone, nor the most valuable mineral on Earth. They don't even retain much of their resale value. Yet society has been conditioned to believe that diamonds are an essential part of romantic commitment. In this video, we will uncover how the diamond industry manipulated public perception, creating one of the greatest marketing schemes of all time. To understand diamonds, we must first understand carbon, the element that makes up the foundation of all known life. Carbon is one of the most versatile elements, capable of forming a variety of structures and compounds. It is found in the air as carbon dioxide, in our bodies as organic molecules, and in the ground as coal and diamonds. Carbon's ability to bond in different ways allows it to form vastly different materials. A simple rearrangement of carbon atoms can create substances with completely different properties. Graphite, for example, is soft, slippery, and used in pencils. Meanwhile, diamonds are one of the hardest known materials, used in both jewelry and industrial applications. But what makes these two substances so different if they are both made of carbon? The answer lies in allotropy. Allotropy refers to the ability of an element to exist in different structural forms. Carbon exhibits this phenomenon dramatically. The two most well-known allotropes of carbon are graphite and diamond. But there are many others, including graphene, fullerenes, and carbon nanotubes. Graphite consists of layers of carbon atoms arranged in hexagonal sheets. These layers slide over one another easily, which is why graphite is soft and used in lubricants. On the other hand, diamond's atoms are arranged in a rigid tetrahedral structure, making it extremely hard and durable. The unique arrangement of atoms in a diamond makes it transparent and capable of dispersing light into its characteristic sparkle. However, despite these remarkable properties, diamonds are not particularly rare, nor are they the most valuable gemstones. So why have they been presented as symbols of exclusivity and wealth? One of the most common misconceptions is that coal transforms into diamonds under high pressure. In reality, most diamonds form deep within the Earth's mantle, where carbon is subjected to extreme temperatures, over 2,200 degrees Fahrenheit, and pressures, over 725,000 pounds per square inch. Over millions to billions of years, these conditions force carbon atoms into the crystal structure characteristic of diamonds. Diamonds then reach the Earth's surface through volcanic eruptions, carried upward in molten rock known as kimberlite. These eruptions happen rarely, making diamond deposits difficult to access but not necessarily scarce. The misconception that coal turns into diamonds likely comes from their shared carbon composition, but in reality, diamonds are far older than most coal deposits. Diamonds are the hardest naturally occurring material on Earth, ranking 10 on the Mohs scale of hardness. This means that diamonds can scratch almost any other material but can only be scratched by another diamond. However, hardness does not mean indestructibility. While diamonds are incredibly resistant to scratching, they are also brittle. A strong impact at the right angle can cause a diamond to fracture or shatter. This is why jewelers must handle diamonds with care, despite their renowned toughness. Diamonds have been known and used by humans for thousands of years. The earliest diamonds were found in riverbeds in India around 2,500 years ago, where they were prized for their beauty and hardness. By the Middle Ages, diamonds were associated with nobility and power, often set into crowns and royal jewelry. The real turning point came in the late 19th century, when vast diamond mines were discovered in South Africa, This should have led to an oversupply of diamonds and a crash in their value. Instead, something remarkable happened. One company, De Beers, manipulated the entire diamond market. Despite what advertising tells us, diamonds are not rare. Large deposits have been found in Africa, Russia, Australia, and Canada. However, companies like De Beers restricted the number of diamonds released into the market to create an illusion of scarcity. Even worse, many diamonds are mined in regions plagued by conflict, where they finance armed groups and human rights abuses. These blood diamonds, or conflict diamonds, have fueled wars and suffering, making the diamond industry one of the most ethically questionable markets in the world. Unlike gold or platinum, diamonds have little intrinsic value. They do not hold their worth over time, and their resale value is significantly lower than their purchase price. The second you buy a diamond, it loses a large percentage of its worth. So why do people keep buying them? Because of a marketing campaign that convinced the world that diamonds equal love. Before the 1930s, diamonds were not a standard part of engagement rings. De Beers launched a campaign that changed this, using Hollywood, advertisements, and even schools to instill the belief that an engagement was incomplete without a diamond ring. Their slogan, "A diamond is forever," suggested that diamonds, and by extension love, last forever. This was entirely fabricated, but it worked so well that even today, people feel pressured to buy diamonds for proposals. Diamonds exist in a metastable state, meaning that over millions of years, they will eventually break down into graphite. While this process is extremely slow, it contradicts the marketing claim that diamonds are forever. Modern technology allows us to create diamonds in laboratories with the same properties as natural ones. These lab-grown diamonds are ethical, affordable, and indistinguishable from mined diamonds. As awareness grows, will society begin to reject the diamond myth? Diamonds are not rare, they are not a good investment, they are not even truly forever. But thanks to marketing, they remain one of the most sought-after gemstones in the world. Will this ever change? Maybe. But for now, the myth of the diamond remains unshattered. What do you think? Are diamonds worth the hype? Or is it time to break free from the illusion? Let me know in the comments below.